Introducing The Peak. With a Shangri-La hotel next door. Welcome to a whole new experience. With stunning views of Mekong River and a private realm of features across 2 levels of recreation decks with numerous facilities for your every need, for you. And your whole family. Five levels of retail excitement at the doorstep. With the Shangri-La Hotel as your neighbor, you have a host of exciting amenities at your disposal. Shopping, F&B, and entertainment choices galore. Indulge in crafted spaces and delicate details. This is where the good life is. Where you end your day, every day. Where home is a destination. Embrace the masterclass vision. The Peak.